Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to work with filters. Image processing filters apply an effect to your entire layer all at once. They are extremely useful for many digital art tasks at all stages of creation. TwistedBrush Pro Studio contains a wide range of filters which can be used with ease. Select the filter that you want to apply from the Filters menu. This will open the filter dialog. Here you can see the name of the currently selected filter. And here is the list of all filters categorized. In fact, this is the same set of filters that appear in the filter menu. They are presented here because often it is useful to apply multiple filters without exiting the dialog. This is the unique set of control parameters for each filter. Every time a new filter is selected, the set of controls can change. To see a preview of the filter, the preview option must be checked. Click the Set Preview area to define a rectangle area to preview the filter on. Click the Clear Preview area to return to normal preview after using the Set Preview area. The Apply and Continue button will apply the current filter and keep the dialog box open ready for additional filter applications. The Apply button will apply the current filter and exit the dialog. The Done button will exit the dialog without any further changes. The Less button will reduce the size of the dialog to just the parameter set. And the More button will show the full list of available filters. If more information about a filter is available, it will be shown in this box. For each filter, you can save presets with the current set of parameters for later reuse. Click on the Save Preset button and enter a name for the preset. If you want to remove a preset from the list, you can do it by clicking on the Delete Preset button. TwistedBrush Pro Studio supports Adobe-compatible plugins. You can easily add and use them directly in the Filters dialog. However, make sure that you use plugins only from trusted sources. To add a new Adobe-compatible plugin, select the option from the Filters menu or dialog. Click the Select Plugins folders to add the folder or folders where the downloaded and unarchived plugins are located. Click the OK button. All the plugins from the selected locations appear in the list. Double-click on a plugin to open it or select it and click the Apply button. A separate dialog with the plugin settings appear. Not all plugins support the alpha layer. In that case you can check the alpha channel compatibility option.